In this video, we will cover how to transfer calls to other individuals, warm transfers, as well as call holding. When you are engaged in a Teams call and are required to transfer it to another individual, you have two options. The first option we will cover is direct transfer. To begin the process, select the transfer button along the top menu bar within an active Teams call. Type the name of the individual you wish to transfer to and select them. Then select the transfer button. If you wish to proceed with a warm transfer, select the same transfer button at the top of the screen, but instead select the Consult and Transfer option. Type in the name of the individual or number the call will be transferred to and select the Consult button. You will put the previous call on hold and begin a new call with the individual you are attempting to transfer to. Once the other individual is ready to accept the call, select the transfer button at the top of the screen. The call will now be swapped to that individual and you will end the call on your end. If the individual cannot accept the call, press the Leave button on the new call and select Resume to return to the original caller. To place a call on hold, simply select the hold icon at the top of the Teams call. Any activity from your Teams platform will be put on hold, including video, audio, or any screen sharing done from your device. Select the Resume button when you wish to return to the call. That concludes our Teams calling video tutorial series. We hope you enjoy all the new features and flexibility that come with your new Teams phone number. If you require further assistance with the platform, you can contact our support center via our helpline over the phone at 416-822-8888, our live chat on humber.ca/its, or any one of our TechZone locations on campus.